Morning, our viewer, Task the Academic Solution Kiosk. Today, I am going to start the topic Basic of Electric Power Plant. Here we need to understand about what exactly the system is. This is a kind of a plant entire situation, and this is what? This is the chimney to exhaust, and this is all the small parts in the power plant. Now we discuss the definition and principles. What is energy? The ability to do any work called energy. Its unit is joule. What about power? The power rate of energy generation per unit time. Its unit is watt or joule per second. What about the current? The rate of charge flow per unit time is called current. The unit of current is ampere, right? And now we discuss about the different types of the power plant on the basis of fuel used to move prime mover. Okay. Here, first of all, primarily we discuss about the thermal power plant. In the thermal power plant, water steam generated by burning coal, oil, natural gas, and using which the mover moved with the help of steam turbine. And now about the nuclear power plant. Nuclear power plant in which the water steam generated using uranium, one of the radioactive material, and the plutonium as a fuel for fission. Okay. And now the geothermal power plant in which the thermal energy is taken from the earth. Okay. And the next is hydroelectric power plant in which the falling water on hydraulic turbine like Kaplan and Pelton is one of the type of the turbine, hydraulic turbine. And the next is wind power plant. In the wind power plant, this is renewable energy basically power plant in which the wind is to use to move the prime mover of the turbine. And the next is solar. The solar nowadays the most of the people, most of the location using solar power for solar energy, where solar energy taken in the form of photoelectric effect or thermal. And now this is the format of the power plant, where this is the thermal power plant, in which we can see that the process is for coal, and then it is for the exhaustion coal gas, and then oil, using oil and coal, and then it is burned in the furnace, and then it generates steam, and this steam used to move the turbine prime mover. Okay. And this is the connected with the generator. This is the generator. Okay. And then generator alternating current is generated, and this is the finally which process to electrical energy. And this particular entire plant is showing all the processes what exactly being in the thermal power plant. Here this is the shape and basic concept of the thermal power plant. And next is nuclear power plant. Here the nuclear power plant, basically this is the reactor breeder, you can say, in which fission is being over there. Here the bottom portion showing the atomic reactions to make steam, and then which goes through to turn the turbines, and then turbines connected with the alternator or generator, and generator generates electrical energy, and this electrical energy coming to us through grid. Okay, this is the reactor. This is the reactor. Now, what exactly it is? This is the thermal. This is the nuclear power plant. And now we are going for hydroelectric power plant. Basically, in the hydroelectric power plant, the water head is trying to maintain with the using of this dam, and at the level of a specific height, the water is falling down towards the turbine. Here, the Kaplan or Francis turbine is connected with the alternator, and then it is water is going outside, or here it is connected to the through the alternator, and alternator generating the electrical energy. Okay, this is the exact concept. Physically, the hydropower plant looks like this. This is the dam. The water is falling down, and now the major components of the power plant, we can understand here. The major components is generator and turbine and transformers, breakers, capacitor banks, and this is the conveyor and the boiler, right? Just go ahead. This is the bus bar. Bus bar is also an important player in the power plant. It's an uninsulated electrical conductors. To avoid arcing, it must be far from ground and other components. This is all about the bus bar. In the picture you can see these are switches, different types of the switches and switch yards, basically to protect the fault in the transmission or distribution system. We need to connect different switches. Here the transformer. Next is transformer. Transformer, we can understand about the transformer definition. The transformer is an electrical machine which transform energy from primary coil to secondary coil without changing its frequency. The transformer can be classified into two. One of them is step up and another one is step 2. The transformer contains, this is the transformer. Transformer contains oil inside and fins and fans for the cooling purpose inside the transformer. Now about the breakers. When sometime there is a short circuiting, it happen inside the transformer, maybe somewhere outside the transformer, then the breakers, means short circuit causes a major fault. So to stop the flow of current, circuit breaker is used. Okay, so this is all about the power plant where electrical energy is to be generated with the different source of energy, and it is coming to us through different procedure. First of all, generation, then transmission and distribution, and then finally come to the consumer end. Thank you so much for watching. If any of the queries you may ask to us, and we will definitely try to answer all your question. Thank you so much.